Hey, boys and girls. Coach Auger here and Coach Palata here. This is the 2020-2021 Beulah PE slideshow. Welcoming you here to Beulah Elementary. E is for excellence, so let's have an excellent school year, whether it's traditional school, remote learning, or virtual. Let's just have an excellent school year. As I said before, I'm Coach Auger. I've been here many years, as you can see. This is my 24th year of teaching. I've been here at Beulah for 17 of those years. I've been married for 25 years to my wife, Terry, and we have one son, Ty, who is currently a junior at Florida State. Batman. I enjoy playing softball and working out. I look forward to a great year of teaching you all I know about physical education. Always remember to stay safe and stay active. As you know, most of you, I'm a huge Ohio State fan. I always wear a lot of Ohio State stuff. I was born in Toledo, Ohio, lived most of my life in Ashland, Ohio, and the mascot for Ohio State is Brutus, and he is one great dude.
Hey, boys and girls. Coach Palata here. Looking forward to another great school year. This is my 19th year teaching. Haven't been teaching quite as long as Coach Auger, but a pretty long time. I taught middle school for 12 years, elementary for 6, and so I'm glad to be at elementary level where the boys and girls love PE. And I've been married 25 years to my wife, Sandra. We have one daughter. Her name is Kayla. She is actually starting her first year as a first grade teacher in Opp, Alabama, which is pretty cool. She's carrying on a little family tradition. I enjoy playing golf, working out, reading my Bible, just hanging out with the family. We do some fishing. And like I said, we're looking forward to an outstanding school year. I am a big Phillies fan, as most of you know. And this is the Philly fanatic. He's a crazy, wild guy and likes to have a good time. So,
now, some of our PE rules. As you see on the screen, it says listen to follow the directions. We always listen to follow the directions all times. Talk only when it's your turn. Keep your hands and feet to yourself. Participate in all the activities that we do. And also show good sportsmanship. Sportsmanship is very important to us here at Beulah. All right, we want to have a great time. We learn a lot of things, but one of the most important things is not to only get our bodies in shape and get our heart beating faster to make it stronger, but when we do those competitions or whatever we may do, make sure you show good sportsmanship at all times. And here's some of the fun things we do at Beulah. As you can see in these pictures. Oh, Batman warm-up. We know y'all loved that last year. We love to have fun and stay fit. And you know our goal is to teach many different skills and allow our students to practice all these skills that we teach you. And exercise is so much fun, Coach.
definitely.
There's some other fun things we do. And that's just Miss Silver's hanging out with myself and Coach Palata, Santa, and his elf.
Hey, now. There's our PE award, Coach. We usually present that to the class that's having the best sportsmanship and has their tennis shoes. So that's something you can look forward to. Hopefully this year we'll be able to award that about once every 9 weeks. We give it to the best class and best participation. There's an activity we did with some of our students. You guys remember that works on team building.
We usually do jump rope for heart each year also, and we raised the most money last year in Escambia County.
Outstanding job.
So we look forward to having another great event this year and having a good time doing our jump rope for heart event with the American Heart Association. Raises lots of money for the American Heart Association for a great cause.
Yeah, we're going to do a lot of jump rope to start the year this year. We've got some ideas on how we can do it, and we think it's going to work out well. We can socially distance with it. We can keep our space out there. Every student at the traditional level is going to get a jump rope that you'll be responsible for bringing with you to class every day. So you won't be sharing jump ropes. You won't be using anybody else's. It'll be your jump rope only. Nobody else will touch it. And you're just going to have to remember to bring it with you to class when you come to PE. There's some reasons we do jump rope as well. Number one, it's fun. It's excellent exercise. Helps you burn calories. Increases your hand-eye coordination, your foot speed. Doesn't cost very much. You know, a jump rope's just a few dollars. Doesn't take a lot of space. So there's many, many benefits to jump ropes. And that's one of the things we're going to start with. Probably the second week of school, we're going to get right into our jump ropes. And then probably transition later in the year into our jump rope for heart event.
And there's our turkey. He's always the head of the turkey trot. He leads us in the turkey trot each year.
Crazy turkey.
Crazy turkey. This is also our virtual gym. This is pretty neat. As you can see the things all over this gym, you could click on those and it'll take you to it's linked to a website of fun activities. If you click on my picture or Coach Palata's picture, then they talk a little bit about each other and so on and so forth. But you just click on any of those and it'll take you to a fun activity to do, or you can listen to one of the readings. It's a real neat thing. So this is our virtual gym. Boys and girls, we're looking for an exciting school year this year. We can't wait till you get back in the building so we can see you. We've been out a long time. We're excited for you to be back. And we will see you soon, either here in this building or remotely on that computer. Have a great school year this year.
See you guys soon.